Wow, I just received this month's Tokyo Treat box. Is this my New Year gift from Japan? This month's theme is New Year snacking, so it's all about good luck and fun flavors. Look at this. These are the chocolate mint ice cream Kit Kats. It's minty, chocolatey, and super smooth. Next, we have the truffle cheese bites. They are super creamy and crunchy, and they smell very delicious. I love that Tokyo Treat includes a cultural booklet with snack descriptions, fun facts, and allergy information.